Hi everyone, I'm Rich Sands and I want to tell you about my OSCON 2015 speaking proposal that involves product management. I started as a product management a long time ago, more years ago than I care to say. Back then, it was really much more of an art than a science. We would do some focus groups, we would get to know our users, we would do some interviews, we'd try to understand what motivated them, what their needs were, and then we would bring that information back into our product teams and invent new features that solved customers' problems. It worked pretty well, but things really have changed a lot in recent years. Product management now is much more of a science than an art form. With web and mobile applications collecting all this data from these huge user populations, product teams now have the ability to run experiments and to test hypotheses. Is this feature better than that feature? And to select among the different implementations and the different features what's working the best. So this is a really, really powerful capability. Now we really know what works better and what doesn't, and we can prove it with data. And this is really seductive. But it's also a little bit dangerous, I think, because when you're focused on data, you're really looking backwards. You're looking at the collected data, which is really better at testing incremental improvements and making incremental changes. It's not as good at inspiring some radical new breakthrough or some entirely new feature that can take a product or a company in an entirely new direction. So that's what this talk is about. What if we could combine the power of this data-driven product management with good old-fashioned brainstorming, creativity, and the old approach of really understanding the motivations of customers. I'd like to talk to the OSCON audience about the pros and cons of relying on pure data for product decisions and think about some ways that data might inspire some new breakthroughs. Thanks very much.